Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you people how we can make working model of human excretory system. Initially, take an orange pastel sheet and start making a curve in the center of the sheet to form the lower structure of the human body. Now after making the rough sketch of the human lower body, start cutting it and paste it on a huge piece of cardboard. First, I am taking the measurement of the sheet and then cutting the cardboard according to the sheet and then pasting it with the help of a Fevicol. Okay, so after pasting the sheet, we'll take the measurement of the kidneys and the gallbladder. If you want to learn how I have made these 3D kidneys and the gallbladder, I have mentioned the video in the I button above. So now comes the main part of making the arteries and veins of the excretory system. For these two thick arteries, I have taken a long green pipe. As you can see in the video, I have cut this out and now I am marking the holes from which the smaller portions of the arteries and veins are coming out. For that, I have used a transparent pipe as you can see in the video. Now I'll be explaining in detail. Now what I have done for this particular part, I have taken a transparent pipe and cut this out in two parts and then I have inserted this particular pipe in the thicker pipe. Okay, so now I am marking some holes in the thin transparent pipe so that the particular portions which you can see in the image are coming out, I can make them very easily. I have attached both the transparent pipes with the help of a tissue tape and then inserted it in the thicker pipe. The parts which are coming out from the artery and the veins, what I have done, I have marked a hole and then I have inserted a transparent pipe. Further, I will be cutting this into smaller parts. The same way you can see in the video. Now you can see this particular yellow circled part. For every part of the artery and the vein which is coming out, we are repeating the same process. We are just inserting small pipes into the bigger ones. Like you can see in the video, just make a hole, insert a transparent or a thin pipe in that and then cut it off. After completion of the arteries and veins, let's make the ureter of the excretory system. Here are two ureters. Okay, so for that we need to take a long transparent pipe, cut it in two parts and start painting it with a yellow or any kind of vibrant color. Here I am using acrylic yellow color. You can even use watercolor if you don't have acrylic. Now for painting the renal artery that is on the right side, we'll choose blood red color for that and we'll paint it very nicely, including the portions of the pipe which is coming out. Now for the renal vein which is on the left side of the excretory system, we'll paint dark blue color for that. Now for the passage of water, we'll take a transparent bottle, we'll make two holes in the cap and then we'll insert our two ureters. This bottle will be then attached with the aortas we made earlier. Now after inserting the ureters inside the hole, we'll close the lid of the bottle and then we will attach the ureters inside the bottle with the help of a tissue tape. Now it's time to stick the renal arteries and veins. We will use glue gun for that. First I'll be sticking renal vein and then I'll be sticking renal artery. You can take someone's help for this. Further we'll be making two holes on the either sides with the help of a scissor for the ureters to pass through these holes. By ureters I mean those yellow pipes. Ureters passing from the hole, attach them with the help of a tissue tape as you can see in the video. Now stick our 3D kidneys beside renal veins and renal arteries with the help of a glue gun. Now very carefully attach the transparent bottle with the aorta and stick the gallbladder on its place. Lastly, with the help of a Fevicol, paste all the labels and arrows on its proper place. I have used each and every organ's label here. You can see in the video. So here our human excretory system is ready. Now I'll be showing you the working of this model. Pour some water in the transparent bottle and this water will pass through aorta and ureters we made. Now you can see how uniformly the water is coming out from the bladder. That's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching my video so patiently, and for any queries, do let me know in the comment section and do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.